If you have a flat tire, you can replace it with the spare tire in your vehicle. After parking on a flat surface, engage the parking brake in the P position. Open the trunk cover and remove the jack and tools. Then loosen the securing bolts to take out the spare tire. Using a wheel lug nut wrench, loosen the nuts on the tire you're replacing by turning them counterclockwise 1 turn each. Place the jack at the jack point under the vehicle. Then attach the wrench to the jack handle and turn it clockwise to lift the vehicle. Fully loosen the nuts by hand and remove the tire. Fit the spare tire into the wheel well and tighten the nuts in a diagonal pattern. Lower the vehicle by turning the jack and ensure the nuts are fully tightened. For safety, drive at low speed after installing the spare tire and replace the tire as soon as possible.
Kia, movement that inspires.